Mukesh Vlogs. Today I am going to show you a recipe for Indian chicken franks or chicken sausages. Let's begin with the ingredients.
Chicken sausages. I have taken here 2 packets. Some curry leaves, salt as per taste, black pepper powder, lemon, paprika powder, chicken masala and some garlic.
We have marinated these sausages so that those taste more delicious.
Take the chopped sausages, add some black pepper to it, some turmeric, some paprika powder, stir it well and mix it well. Then squeeze a lemon so that it gets marinated nicely. Keep the marination for 8 to 10 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, we'll start with the process of frying. Put some oil in the pan and let it heat. Once the oil is hot enough, add garlic, and fry it until it has a brownish color. Now we see the garlic is brown. We are ready to put some curry leaves and some green chilies. Stir it for a minute, then add chicken masala. Let the masala cook properly. Now we see the masalas are cooked properly and we can add some sausages to it, which we kept for marinating. Sausages take a bit time to cook, so stir it well, let it get coated with oil from all the sides. Then you can add some salt and again stir it for a minute or two. We are halfway done and just needs to cook a bit more. So stir it and
Cover this for 8 to 10 minutes.
after like 7 to 8 minutes I remove the lid to check on the sausages and they look almost ready. Just few minutes more.
And our franks are ready. Looks mouth-watering, right?
For garnishing, you can use onions, cucumbers, even carrots. They all taste good.
Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.